Well, g'day travellers. I reckon an awning on the side of your 4B would have to be one of the most versatile bits of kit in any four-wheel driver's arsenal. Whether it's for a little bit of shade at the beach, shelter from the rain like we've had here this weekend, or just a place to roll out your swag at the end of a hard day on the track, I reckon it's an absolute must-have. And these days we are spoilt for choice. From straight rollouts to 180s to 270-degree awnings, the choices are endless. Now, for years we've run the ARB Deluxe straight rollout awning, and it's been an absolute fantastic bit of kit. But these days, as we spend more and more time out exploring for our YouTube adventures, it was time for a little more coverage. It was time to go 270. Now, Aussie Traveller reached out and asked us would we like to try theirs, and to be honest, I'd never heard of their awnings. But what really attracted me, at 2.1 metres long, is absolutely perfect for a dual cab ute. Now, dual cab utes with their shorter racks, most larger awnings are around about 2.5 metres, leaving you quite a bit of overhang, and this isn't a good thing. Coupled with the rigours of off-road life, especially corrugations, this awning is bound to have a short lifespan. And you'll actually find that with most manufacturers, if the overhang exceeds 600mm, the warranty will be void. Now, I know freestanding is what everybody seems to be chasing at the moment as a consumer and pushing as a manufacturer. And no, the Aussie Traveller 270-degree awning is not a freestanding awning. Nor does that really bother me, because most freestanding awnings, they recommend pegging them down in windy conditions, and they'll even come with optional legs should you need them. And I've seen firsthand the damage that can be caused by improperly secured awnings, both to the awning themselves and to the vehicles. Now, the legs on the Aussie Traveller are integrated into the heavy duty frame, and they only take literally seconds to lock into place. Now, of course, the Aussie Traveller 270 comes complete with all your ropes, your pegs, your straps to secure both ends, and some heavy duty mounting brackets that'll suit most roof racks on the market today. We've been using the Aussie 270-degree awning for a couple of months now, and I've got to say I am pretty impressed. But one inclusion that I really love is the privacy wall. Just locates via a sail track, and you can remove it if you want, but I tend to just leave it rolled up and it packs away right inside the bag. Should I need a little bit of extra privacy, I just roll it down and peg it. How easy is that? Never again do I get to camp only to realise I've left the windbreak at home. Now, the awning itself is made from 280 GSM polycotton ripstop canvas, heavy duty frame with integrated leg. We reckon it's just about the perfect awning for a dual cab ute. And priced at $1,000, it is pretty competitive. And from our experience so far, we have been really impressed with both the quality and the functionality of the Aussie Traveller 270. So what's our verdict on the Aussie Traveller 270-degree awning? Well, we reckon it is definitely worth considering, especially if you own a dual cab. And we are pretty keen to put this bad boy through its paces on both Fraser and Moreton Islands later this year. And if we've missed anything or there is something you would like to know, just ask us in the comments and we'll do our very best to answer. If you're interested in one of the Aussie Traveller 270-degree awnings, we'll put a link in the description. If you found this video helpful, guys, why not subscribe? And if you'd like to see more of what we get up to, why don't you check out this video where we get a little bit more than we bargained for down in the Vic High Country. Till next time, cheers guys.